Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. So replacing this daylight running bulb, I had to cut this back to make sure this hadn't been replaced before. So you see how this is burnt up? We're basically going to snip it here, and we're going to wire in this next part. So I'm going to get this snipped and start getting it ready. So with these, red is hot, blue is ground. And now we're just going to shrink this. that's how you do it. I'm gonna wrap these in some electrical tape, but she's good to go. And that's how you replace them. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye. Everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your daughter, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.